what if you take the concept of bumper cars and move them in water? In that case, you would have bumper boats. That could be a cool addition to your water park, and we have some of those here at IAPA Expo. Here they are. As you can see, they're not only floating, but they're moving. They have some cool LED lights that are going to engage the smaller audience. Bumper boats can come in all sizes and shapes. This one is actually manufactured in Italy. It has a great design and it looks really engaging. They have two options exhibited here at IAPA Expo. This is one of them, and the other one is here. They're coming from the Sella group, and it's a really interesting potential ride for your water park.